Hi guys, from Barbara and welcome to my ketogenic channel. Oi. Today I'm super happy because I will prepare a recipe from this book. This is my favorite cooking book. I received it as a wedding gift 25 years ago and I'm still using. This is like a Bible of Italian cuisine, and I found a special sauce that is also ketogenic. It's a spinach sauce. Let's go together to prepare it. I'm sure you will like it too. I know this famous book has been translated into many languages and I hope you can find it. The title means The Silver Spoon. And today we are going to prepare their spinach sauce, salsa agli spinaci in Italian. I made some little changes to make this sauce even more keto. And these are the few ingredients that you will need to prepare this deliciousness. 400 grams of spinach, then 40 grams of butter, 250 milliliters of heavy cream instead of the milk that is in the original recipe, salt, pepper, and if you want to make a different sauce, some grated Parmesan cheese. I prepare half without Parmesan and half with Parmesan. After cooking the spinach at medium heat in an empty and covered pan for about 5 minutes, squeeze them as much as possible in order to eliminate all the water that they released. While you are blending the spinach in order to transform them into a very green cream, you can melt some butter in a big pan and add also the 250 milliliters of heavy cream. Finally, mix these two liquid ingredients together with the creamy spinach. You will see that this is a lot of heavy cream, and it's because the ketogenic diet it's a high lipidic diet, so you are supposed to eat a lot of fat. But if you want a thicker cream, just add less heavy cream. Another tip to make this sauce thicker is to cook it slowly for quite a long time at low heat, so it will become denser because the water will evaporate. But I have also another way to make it thicker and even yummier. I will tell you later because it's a surprise. Now I just added some flavor with salt and black pepper. The original recipe said white pepper, but I didn't have it at home, so I used the black one and I think it's okay. Anyway, this is also the moment you can add some spices, the one you like. I think nutmeg should be amazing together with this spinach and this cream, especially because I will eat it with eggs. So eggs and nutmeg are a very good combo, and also eggs with heavy cream and spinach. When you think the consistency is perfect for you, the sauce is ready. This is just butter, heavy cream, blended cooked spinach, and everything is seasoned only with salt and pepper. Very easy. So after that you can put it in a glass jar, let it cool down completely and then freeze it. This is perfect because you can have it ready whenever you need it. This is great with every kind of meat. And now I will show you the second tip to make it thicker, and it is adding grated Parmesan cheese. This is the second version of this sauce. It's delicious, both of them are. Both of them can be frozen. And I will enjoy today's sauce with some eggs, simple eggs. So you can also cook the eggs as you like. I will do sunny side up because it's my favorite way, and I will prepare the eggs in butter. And after the greetings, don't miss the final walk because it's in a truly amazing place. I really hope you like today's recipe and you will consider subscribing to my channel. So we will meet here every Monday at 2 o'clock Italian time with another ketogenic video in English, but also on Wednesday with the same video at the same time in Spanish, and on Friday in Italian. Thank you all. Welcome to the Artipelag, a beautiful art museum located on the archipelago just outside Stockholm. This amazing building is built in the forest. And as you can see from my video, the design is clean, elegant and modern. Perfectly blended into the surrounding nature. It's incredible. And coming here is not that difficult if you are in Stockholm. As you already know, Stockholm is also built on an archipelago of 14 islands. But outside Stockholm, the islands are much more, and on this beautiful place they built this museum. If you are in Stockholm, you should know that there is a bus that goes directly to this museum, leaving from the central station. There are two buses, one in the morning and one at midday to go there, and two buses that come back, one in the early afternoon about 3 o'clock and the last one at 5 p.m. It's very convenient because it's just 10 euros and about 10 bucks. And you go directly there in about 40 minutes. You will be at the museum. If you take a normal bus, it's so much longer. During summertime, I think you can go there even by boat, but I never took it and I'm really not sure about the time and everything, so you should check because it must be really amazing to go there by boat. The 3 expositions that I'm visiting today will be here till the 1st of May, so you have time to visit this place too, if you like them. They are incredible, not only for the art, but also for the building and the nature. So think about it, because this place is incredible. After the 1st of May, everything will change. The art will be completely different, and I promise you that I will go back. Today we enjoyed the first one, that was the black and white statues with all the paintings in the walls that were also black, white and pink. It was amazing. They had so many pieces. It was incredible. Then the second one was the exposition that you can watch it now, with insects, and I don't know, I have mixed feelings about it. I'm not a big lover of insects, but the art was very impressive. It was shocking also. And the third one was art into the nature. So all the things that I will show you outside is part of a third exposition.
Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the